Alcohols: ethyl alcohol, ethanol. Alcohol, in the context of organic chemistry, refers to a class of organic compounds characterized by the presence of a hydroxyl O functional group attached to a carbon atom. Alcohols can be classified based on the number of alkyl or aryl groups attached to the carbon bearing the hydroxyl group. They are commonly used as solvents, disinfectants, and are also found in alcoholic beverages. General formula of alcohols is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Alcohols are generally represented as RO, where R is the alkyl group. Nomenclature of alcohols. To name specific members of the alcohol series, you simply add the suffix "ol" to the root word. The table provided below displays the molecular formula, UPAC names, common names, condensed formulas, and structural formulas for the first 4 members of the alcohol series. Homologous series of alcohols are OH, CnH2n plus 1 OH. Alkane. Alcohol, UPAC name. Common alcohol name. Alcohol formula. Condensed formula of alcohol. Structural formula. Methane methanol. Methyl alcohol. Ethane ethanol. Ethyl alcohol. Propane. Propanol. N-butane. Butanol. N-butyl alcohol, propyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol or ethanol, laboratory preparation of ethanol. By the hydrolysis of alkyl halides, when ethyl halides are heated with aqueous sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, a chemical reaction occurs, resulting in the production of ethyl alcohol. Industrial methods of preparation of ethanol. From ethene, C2H4 ethene is absorbed in concentrated sulfuric acid under high pressure, 30 atmospheres, at 80 degrees Celsius, forming ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate is then heated with water, undergoing hydrolysis to yield ethyl alcohol. From starch or molasses, when starch, C6H10O5, N or molasses is heated with malt extract containing the enzyme diastase at 60 degrees Celsius, it produces a sugar solution, primarily maltose. This maltose or molasses solution, typically a 20% molasses solution, is mixed with yeast containing enzymes maltase and zymes. The mixture is maintained at 30 degrees Celsius for 4 days, resulting in the conversion of sugars to ethyl alcohol. The alcohol is separated from the fermented mixture through fractional distillation, where the alcohol, being volatile, distills over and leaves behind water. Physical properties of ethyl alcohol. Property. Description. Color and odor. The substance is a colorless liquid with a pronounced alcoholic smell. Nature. This substance is extremely poisonous. Prolonged and excessive consumption can lead to liver disorders and kidney damage. Solubility. It dissolves in water and in most organic solvents. Boiling point. The boiling point of the substance is 78.3 degrees Celsius. Chemical properties of ethyl alcohol. Reaction type. Description. Combustion. Ethyl alcohol burns in air to produce carbon dioxide and water vapor and also the evolution of heat and light. Reaction with sodium. Reacts with sodium at room temperature to form sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas. Reaction with phosphorus trichloride. Forms ethyl chloride and phosphorus acid when reacted with phosphorus trichloride. Reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid. Heating with concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 degrees Celsius forms diethyl ether. At 170 degrees Celsius, it dehydrates to ethylene gas. Oxidation with cupric oxide. Ethyl alcohol vapors oxidize to acetaldehyde when passed over heated copper, 2, oxide. Oxidation with acidified potassium dichromate. Treated with acidified potassium dichromate, it oxidizes to acetic acid. Reaction with acetic acid. Boiling with acetic acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid forms ethyl acetate, which has a fruity smell. Action of litmus. Ethanol is neutral in nature, so it does not bring any change in the color of litmus whether it is blue or red. Uses of ethyl alcohol. As a drink. In its purified and diluted form, ethyl alcohol is consumed in beverages like whiskey and beer. As a solvent. Ethyl alcohol serves as an effective solvent for gums and resins. In the manufacture of organic chemicals. It's used in producing various organic chemicals including acetaldehyde, acetic acid, chloroform, diethyl ether, as well as in the production of dyes and vinegar. In the manufacture of synthetic products. Ethyl alcohol is a key ingredient in manufacturing synthetic rubber, paints, varnishes, perfumes, and antiseptics. Antifreezing agent. In cold countries, ethanol is used as an antifreeze in the radiators of automobiles. Abuses of ethyl alcohol. 1. Alcoholism. Prolonged and heavy alcohol use can lead to alcohol addiction or alcoholism, a chronic disease that can devastate a person's life. 2. Health issues. Excessive alcohol consumption is linked to various health problems, including liver disease, heart disease, cancer, and neurological disorders. 3. Accidents. Alcohol impairs judgment and coordination, leading to accidents and injuries, including car accidents and falls. 4. Mental health. Alcohol abuse can worsen mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety and can lead to addiction-related psychological issues. 5. Social consequences. Alcohol abuse can strain relationships, result in job loss, and lead to legal issues, including arrests for driving under the influence. 6. Economic burden. The cost of healthcare, law enforcement, and lost productivity associated with alcohol abuse is a significant economic burden on society. 7. Risk to others. Alcohol abuse can result in domestic violence, child neglect, and harm to others, making it a public health concern.